Today we're gonna make a pita bread pizza, a great late night snack when all you have is leftovers in the fridge. Here we got a little bit of olive oil, spread it all over the pita bread, put some garlic powder, adds a lot of flavor, some pepper, some pizza sauce, some mozzarella. You can make it as cheesy as you wish. So now you could add some protein, any type of protein you want, as long as it's cooked or cured. I got some soppressa here. I'm not gonna use any pepperoni because I don't have pepperoni in my house and I gotta work with what I have. Cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Add some Italian seasoning, and there you have it. A beautiful yet delicious and simple pita pizza. So here's a pro tip. If you wanna elevate this pizza to the next level and you have some bomba sauce lying around, give it a little dash. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and give this video a like.